Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. You must install .NET Desktop Runtime to run this application on your Windows. So if you are facing this issue, this video is for you. I will show how to fix this issue easily. So first you can go to this website as you can see here, and you need to click on yes option here. And yes option will launch automatically compatible .NET on your Windows. You just need to install it. But if that is not working, what you can do is just you need to click on, just search it, and you need to go here and choose your 64-bit operating system. This is the latest as of now, Windows 64-bit, and simply you need to install this. Once you install it, it will fix your issue. This is SDK, and runtime is also here. This is the runtime. Just need to select this option, runtime. And once the runtime is installed, you need to just run both the software here, and after that your issue will be fixed. I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.